So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Wildlife Ecology Week 4th assignment 4th. So the first question is, if we all become vegetarians, we will be able to support our large population. This can be explained through. So these are the option: 10% rule, 1% rule, tropic cascade, biodiversity. So now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, the 10% rule, consider the plant as level 1, we have energy at nth level and so on. So the answer of our first question is a 10% rule. Now the second question is net primary production is given by. So these are the option: APAR into LUE, APAR into LUE, plus LUE, APAR minus LUE, APAR by LUE. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, net primary productivity apart into LUE. So the answer of our second question is A. Now the third question is trees, birds, parasites, hyperparasites represents. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, inverted pyramid of number. Hyperparasites, bacteria, protozoa, parasites, ticks, fleas, birds, trees. So the answer of our third question is B, inverted pyramid of numbers. Now the fourth question is, consider the food chain: grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, hog, as we move up the food chain. So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is A, available energy decrease. Now the fifth question is, consider the food chain: grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, hog in this food chain. So these are the option: frog is producer, frog is consumer and carnivorous, frog is consumer and herbivorous, frog is decomposer. So the answer of our fifth question is B, frog is consumer and carnivorous. Now the sixth question is, consider the food chain: grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, hog in this food chain. So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B, more number of grasshoppers than hogs can be supported. Now the seventh question is, at the compensation point. So these are the option: photosynthesis equal to respiration, photosynthesis less than respiration, photosynthesis greater than respiration, photosynthesis equal to 0. So the answer of our seventh question is A, photosynthesis equal to respiration. Now the eighth question is, glacial lakes are typically examples of. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, oligotrophic lake, but in most situations we observe that this is because of a low nutrient content. A low nutrient content can happen if you have, for instance, a glacial lake. So the answer of our eighth question is C, oligotropic lakes. Now the ninth question is, consider the food chain: grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, hawk in this food chain. So these are the option: hawk is producer, hawk is consumer and carnivore, hawk is consumer and herbivore, hawk is decomposer. So the answer of our ninth question is B, hawk is consumer and carnivore. Now the 10th question is, tree, frugivorous bird, hawk represents. So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is D, dumbbell pyramid of numbers. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.